and I need to get to my bathroom. So you rate and respect people. You have white privilege, and it's not here. It's over with. It's 2020.
Yes, it is.
Wake up. You got a mask on.
Yes, I do.
So you're under the government too. You're confined, and you don't have white privilege anymore. I'm a queen. California. She was from a black queen.
Okay, well, I need
you
to
don't
get to my
talk because
door
you
to
so
this,
privileged that you got to get to somebody else and tell them you're not listening. I don't have to listen to you.
Then go to the bathroom.
You don't run me. You go to the bathroom. You shut up and stay in your lane.
Okay.
You have nothing to do with this, little girl. I'm not talking to you. Listen to your mama. She should have told. I know you don't care. You so grown.
Ma'am, I need to get to my door.
Okay,
to
thank
disarm
you.
it.
And I need to get to the bathroom.
Thank you.
Like I said, y'all don't run people. You don't run America. You run yourself. So get off your little mentality that you better than somebody, because you're not. Thank you. Yeah, huh? That's what I say. See this little shit right here? This whole little mentality. But you need to understand, you don't run America no more.
Everyone seated at this time.
That shit over
Take
with.
your
Call the police. You don't run me.